Hi guys, so I'm having lots of fun painting these little miniatures and putting them in the sets I've been building. Although I am about to paint a dragon, so I'm looking forward to that one because it'll be quite a large size. So as usual, the files for these can be found at my mini factory, and this one's done by Printed Obsession, and this is a free download. As I mentioned before, a lot of the figures on my mini factory you do have to pay for, but there are quite a few that are free, and this is definitely one of those free ones. So go check this one out, guys. Link in the description. As usual, take it into my Anycubic software, then save it onto a little USB, stick that sucker in the side of the 3D printer, and yeah, push a couple of buttons and away she goes. Nice and simple. So you go back a few hours later, and we've got one lovely printed miniature, primed in white, ready to paint. So I'm still having fun with the speed paints from Army Painter. There's quite a few colours here, but I know they are obviously going to be producing lots more next year when the sort of full range and all that comes out. But yeah, it's certainly enough colours here to get going for what I'm doing basically. So yeah, these are really good. Obviously they are called speed paints, but that doesn't mean they dry any quicker. And I did have a little problem on this one where I got a bit too impatient, painted several things that were close to each other, and then they started to sort of bleed into each other. In one case that could be quite good, but in this case it didn't come out too good, and I made a bit of a mess. So I didn't actually film it, but I did have to repaint parts of it white again, just so I could then obviously go over and clean it up and make it nice and tidy. So yeah, so bear that in mind. Obviously they are speed paints, but they don't dry any quicker, but they are obviously pretty good in regards to having the base colour and the highlight and shadows and all that sort of good stuff. So yeah, definitely speedier in that regards, just not in the regards to drying. But yeah, no, so I'm loving these colours, and they say that they do really go on rather nicely. And once the paint is dry, you can then go over it again, give it a second coat, just to make areas darker, which is pretty good. So if you do find the skin tone on this is a bit too sort of light, you can go over it again and again, just to sort of make the skin tone darker, which is what I actually do in my next video. You see, I've got another little miniature that I've painted for one of my sets, and I've done just that. I've gone over them a few times and made the skin tone a lot darker, which is really nice. So yeah, nice little model. Again, so guys, this is free, this one, so go check this one out. Again, this probably won't be used in any of my actual sort of D&D campaigns, although you never know, might do. This one is purely just to have fun with, and to show it in the sets, which will be video of that will be coming out very soon. And if you are interested in getting a 3D printer, Anycubic still have their sale on at the moment. As this video goes out, there's only about 5 days left, so you need to get in quick before obviously the thing runs out. But yeah, get 3D printers. I say I can't stop using mine. I am going nuts with it, to be honest, but I'm loving it, which is great. So yeah, there's the figure all printed. If I can get it in focus. Yeah, pleased with how this one came out. Again, these figures are really cute, and yeah, obviously very nice to look at. So yeah, so put in the little set that I've made. Say the video for the set will be out very soon. Although by the time this video comes out, there may well be a link at the end of this video to sort of say where the other video is, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm waffling now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I just want to say a quick shout out and thank you to all my patrons, as well as the sponsors, for helping making it possible for me to sort of keep making these videos and obviously buying the materials I need to build stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave comments down below, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, take care. Bye for now.